For fixing of UV coil in C-power ACB, following are the tools required: screwdriver, nose plier, 10 mm spanner and 7 mm spanner. Ensure that ACB is in off condition. Currently it is in on condition. ACB is now in off condition. ACB is now in service position. Rack out the ACB to isolate. Take out the racking handle. Insert into the racking screw. Rotate in anti-clockwise direction. Ensure that ACB is in isolated position. With the help of these lifting lugs on both sides, pull out the ACB. Once the ACB is drawn out, unscrew these two nuts which are on the right hand side and left hand side of the ACB with the help of 13 mm spanner. Take out the nuts. On the other side as well. Following are the components of UV coil packing. UV coil, mounting plate screws. These will be UV coil screws. Ferrules, UV coil lever, special pin, circlip and nut. Insulating tube, terminal connector, insulation sheet, sleeve. After fixing the UV coil, you can update the release voltage on this one, and this can be pasted on the right hand side of the ACB. Insert the sleeve onto the wires. Next enter. Fix the nylock nut. Insert the special pin. And tighten. Connect the UV coil lever link. Mount the UV coil on the bracket. Tighten the screws on both. Here shunt coil will be placed. Here UV coil will be placed. Mount the UV coil assembly here with the given hardware. Tighten the hardware screws. Insert a small piece of paper of 5 mm thickness between operating lever and stop. Adjust the lever and connect it to the trip rod. With the help of pin and circlip, insert the pin. Connect the circlip with the help of nose plier. Take the spacer out which was kept earlier. Adjust the nut and and tighten. Mount the terminal block using insulation sheet. Cut the leads of the UV coil to the required length. Connect the leads on the terminal block. Insert the wires into the insulation tube. Insert the ferrules onto the cable 41 and 42. Route the outgoing wire. If the Hylium tube is already present, connect the outgoing wires on the other end of the terminal block. Pass the wires in the space available above CT. On the other hand, on the other end also, you use the ferrules given as 41 and 42 and crimp the lugs which were given inside the UV packing. Insert them onto the secondary isolating contacts. Dress the cables with cable ties. Cut the cable ties. Now the terminals are connected to 41 and 42 of ACB SIC. On the cradle SIC also, with a pen, write 41 and 42 so it will be easy for us to troubleshoot. Provide the supply to UV coil terminals 41 and 42. Upon providing supply to the UV coil will be latched. Charge the spring. Ensure that spring is charged. Switch on the ACB. ACB is now in on condition. If we disconnect the supply to UV coil, it should trip. I am switching off the supply. Now it is tripped. We are switching the supply to UV coil again and we will be closing the ACB. If the supply to the UV coil is taken out, ACB should trip. Even after providing the supply to UV coil, when you are trying to switch on the ACB, if ACB gets tripped, adjust the lever with the help of this screw and take trial again. When providing supply to UV coil, ACB should be in on condition.